Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule threads posts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. Now, let's proceed with our tutorial by going to the app. After that, you want to start creating a thread. So either you can do it from your profile, go here and create a thread, or you can simply click on the plus icon that would allow you to create a content or thread. So from here, you will be able to add a topic to your thread. You can choose any topic. We can do whatever. You can choose this topic, etc. Now you can add the media, GIF, you can add your voice to your text, you can simply just leave it a text. So I'm just going to type hello, and now we will see these posts. Now we want to schedule our thread post. So here you will want to go to the settings icon. So by clicking on this 3 points icon, you will find the AI label, and here you will find schedule. We want to schedule our posting. So we want to schedule it whenever you would like. So you can choose any time. And I'm going just to leave it like that and go this. And after that, we want to make it to any other time. So either you can choose anything, you click on done, and now you have your post that has been scheduled. Now you click on schedule, and now you will be posting into this schedule. And as you can see, it is added into your drafts, and you can delete it whenever you want, or you can edit the schedule. You can delete your drafts posts. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.